Hi everyone, create an animation like this. Yes, it's free. I'll give you two options. Let's start the tutorial. Link will be in the description. You have two options to create an animation. Open Canva and sign in. It's free for teachers. Choose video. In the elements is where you're going to choose everything. I'll just write paper and this will be my background. In elements you can choose whatever you like. I'm going to start with the sticky figures, but you can choose other things related to the background or to the settings. A plant, a house, whatever you like. Adjust the size of your sticky figure. Duplicate it if you want the figure to appear in other slides. Let's animate it to give it some life. How about some speech balloons right now? In the elements, of course. Add the orientation and the speech. Don't forget to animate the speech and the balloon. Replace the slides you want. You can also change the color if you want to. Let's add some more characters. You can also add other props. Animated ones are the best. You can animate it or choose animated in elements. Animated ones are the best. You can animate it or choose animated in elements. Okay, now you have to complete your story. You have to choose more sticky figures. You have to add other props. Whichever elements you prefer. You can play with the colors, you can play with the sticky figures, you can play with animations. Try them out. Remember, you can find anything you want in elements. Even animated bulbs. Let's see the result of the first animation. The second animation, we will use the hand. Okay, moving on to the second animation style. Now we'll do it with the hand. So first of all, you need to go to share. Choose download, but before you download, you need to choose the first page. Only the first page, after you've done all your choices in the elements and so forth. Then on the left menu, select apps, and after apps, select Speed Paint. This is going to do the magic for you. Upload your document, choose the type of hand, and just animate. That's it. After you are happy with the result, now you have to do the same thing for the second slide, and so on. So you have to do it individually. But it doesn't take a lot of time and you'll get an amazing result. So, if you like this video, I have amazing AI tools for you on my playlist, so do check them out. They're free and absolutely amazing. I'm sure you're going to love it. So if you like the video, do like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free art tools for you and your projects. Thank you so much for being here on my journey with me. Bye bye for now.